Hi, I'm Saskia, and I'll be talking about more advanced functionality in REDCap, which could help you when collecting data for research purposes, such as clinical trials or longitudinal studies. In this video, I will show you how to create a question with an unknown number of responses in REDCap. Creating a question with an unknown number of responses is particularly useful for collecting clinical data on medications, as the number of medications each patient takes will vary. Go to your online designer and create your first field by clicking on your data collection instrument and then Add Field, for example, Medication 1. If you want to ask exactly the same data for each medication, each repeating field should be identical to the corresponding previous one. Create your second field, identical in all but variable name, and with an appropriate naming structure, for example, Medication 2. In the branching logic of the second variable, enter square bracket, the first variable name, close square bracket, less than and more than sign, and 2 double quotation marks. When someone is entering data, if the first medication field is blank, the second medication field will only appear when someone enters data into the first medication field. Click Save to save your branching logic. Create a third field, for example, Medication 3. In the branching logic of the variable, enter square bracket, the second variable name, close square bracket, less than and more than sign, and 2 double quotation marks. This branching logic means that this field will stay hidden if the second medication field is blank, but will appear when someone enters any data into the second medication field. Click Save to save your branching logic. Repeat these steps as many times as necessary to permit entry of more than one medication per patient, and for each related medication field, such as medication dose, frequency, or route. This branching logic structure can work for both multiple choice fields, such as a list of medication names, and number and text value fields, such as typed out medication names. However, you will need to decide on a maximum number of repeating fields. For example, one patient could be taking a maximum of 10 medications, so you make 10 medication fields that are dependent on the preceding one to appear. As there are multiple repeating fields, some may find it more efficient to make these changes in the data dictionary, instead of editing one field at a time in the online designer. To make the same changes in the data dictionary, create your fields as normal, and then add the branching logic structure as above into the branching logic column, column L, before uploading into the project. For instructions on how to use the data dictionary to create your project, check out the additional links in the description. Please see the links mentioned, as well as links to additional resources alongside this video in the description.